By Hakimi Abdul Jabbar, Advocate and Solicitor, High Court Malaysia, filed July 2019, 10:26 a.m. On the issue of probing the Suhakam inquiry of enforced disappearances by public servants. Now, my question which I'm going to intimate to all members of the Malaysian Bar, especially my fellow committee members of the Constitutional Law Committee, pertains to the supremacy of the Federal Constitution. It's already been decided by the Privy Council, in which Lord Denning's judgment in a particular case in 1962 clearly stated that the rules of natural justice form part and parcel of the Malayan Federal Constitution. And that includes the principle prohibiting biasness. Article 8, Clause 1 of the Federal Constitution clearly stipulates the protection of all under the Federal Constitution. The Equality Provision Clause states no areas of biasness. Now the issue is very simple. Who is more likely to commit all these crimes? Now, for example, let's take a look at a foreign nation. In the case of the brutal murder of Jamal Khashoggi in a particular embassy. Now, it's creatures like this, acting under the state, acting under authorities of the state, that are daring enough to do such things. In Malaysia, the Suhakam inquiry has already determined acts of state agents. Now, this goes back to the supremacy of the Federal Constitution, clearly stated under Article 4, Clause 1 of the Federal Constitution. Who the hell do you think they are? Goddamn potentates? Useless? Who the hell do you think these people are? The law supreme. Does it mean these monkeys can commit murder any time of the day? These people are dangerous.